Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing inventory across multiple sales channels can be overwhelming. Zentail makes multi-channel inventory management simple and efficient. Let's break it down. Zentail centralized products inventory and orders across platforms like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and Shopify. Stock levels sync automatically, preventing overselling, and automated workflows streamline listings and fulfillment. Its reporting and analytics help sellers make smarter decisions, reduce errors, and scale their business without the usual headaches of multi-channel selling. Zentail keeps your inventory organized, accurate, and your sales channels fully connected. If you want efficient, multi-channel inventory management in 2025, Zentail gives you control, clarity, and scalability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.